Imagine a quake so powerful it could shake the entire planet. Here are 3 facts about megathrust that you need to know. First, megathrust earthquakes are often referred to as silent killers because they can build up over centuries without showing any significant warning signs. This makes them particularly dangerous as they can strike unexpectedly, leaving little time for preparation. Second, one of the most devastating consequences of a megathrust earthquake is the potential for a massive tsunami. These towering waves can travel thousands of miles, causing widespread flooding and destruction along coastal areas. Third, while the immediate effects of a megathrust earthquake are often localized, the long-term consequences can be felt on a global scale. These events can disrupt supply chains, trigger economic instability, and even lead to political unrest. What do you think? Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.